Welcome to this Whirly Global Supply Chain Lab video in partnership with the WVU Reed College of Media. We will be touring the Sara Leather Industries Private Limited Leather Works in Ranipet, in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. The process begins with wet blue leather hides. The hides are blue because of their distinctive chromium tanning. Shipped in a wet condition to prevent damage, these hides undergo a meticulous inspection. The excess water is carefully squeezed out during the initial receiving, setting the stage for the next crucial steps. The dyeing and color fixation processes, carried out using vast rotating drums tailored for these procedures. They are then removed and rinsed out. The final coloration step is this auto sprayer that sprays the hide with the colors to be fixed on the final leather tan. Navigating to the rubber plant, we observe the transformation of latex rubber into functional shoe components like soles and heels. This begins with the rubber being flattened and cut into sheets that can later be cut and shaped. The flattening is followed by a thorough cooling process to solidify and preserve the newly formed parts. The hides then transition through a cutting phase, where with precision using metal dies and hydraulic presses, they are shaped into various shapes and sizes based on design and shoe size. Each piece is then refined and prepped, ensuring it is ready for the assembly procedures that follow. Here, the leather takes its first distinctive shape as the upper of a leather shoe, where the worker stitches and forms the shoe. Here, the processed rubber, dyed black, is cut and measured to make the sole and the heels of the shoe. This is a phase marked by precision. The cut pieces undergo a transformation, heated, molded, and cut into specific, distinctive sole shapes that will be assembled in the final shoe. Leather-soled shoes have thicker sheets of leather. This material is shaped into soles using specialized equipment such as metal dies and hydraulic presses, ensuring each piece meets design specifications. Here, we see these sole components being assembled together to be packaged for transport to a centralized assembly plant. It's there that all the components, soles and uppers, are assembled into the final shoe. In the kitting process, workers assemble the essential components. Kitting helps with greater efficiencies and greater productivity by increasing the amount of throughput. Here, we see workers receiving the inbound materials and preparing them for the assembly line. Quality assurance is an important part of the process throughout. Regular inspections are conducted, scrutinizing each component from soles to uppers. Blue lasts, wooden molds shaped like feet, are instrumental in shoe manufacturing. They're used to shape, stitch, and mold the shoe uppers, ensuring they retain the final shoe's design. Lasts, a long-standing tool in shoemaking, facilitate various stages of production, from treating uppers to attaching and inspecting soles, before the shoes are finalized for packaging. The shoe undergoes several stages of production, involving treatment of the uppers and soles and attaching the soles. Before final packaging, shoes undergo a quality inspection to meet customer specifications. On the assembly line, workers specialize in various tasks, transforming raw materials into complete shoes and ensuring customer specifications, like those of Johnston and Murphy, are met. At the final step, each pair of shoes is carefully and meticulously packaged to the customer's specifications, so that the brand experience expected from the customer's product is experienced by the customer when opening the product box. This is the welted line. In the welted process developed by Goodyear, the shoe's upper is attached to the last, followed by the addition of sole layers and heel, eventually completing the shoe with its distinctive final color, in this case, brown. The welted process is used for high-end shoes that are considered to be of high quality. On the assembly line, skilled workers engage in stitching and formulating the primary structures of the shoes. Now we are at the final assembly, after which the shoe will be finished and given its final color, including on the sole, where the color is then polished to its finished look. Post-assembly, the shoes are carefully put into the final packaging, and all of the different components of the packaging are subjected to an exhaustive quality assessment. This inspection affirms its readiness and integrity, ensuring that it meets safety standards and does not have any harmful foreign objects or defects. In the final phase, shoes, once carefully packaged, are placed in shipping cases and loaded into marine containers. Starting in India, these containers travel global supply chain routes, reaching various destinations including North America, where they are then distributed to retailers and direct to customers.